Hey guys, welcome to bageshri'scolourbox, and in this video I have created very easy yet very peppy and beautiful flower vase using cardboard roll and empty shampoo bottle. So let's move on to the video further. So like I said, this is the cardboard roll. I will be using it for making my first flower vase. And to start with, I am making a thick texture paste from Wallputty, white glue and water, and I have applied it all over the roll. Now using wet hand to smoothen the surface. So after about 5-7 minutes, I'm carving a leaf pattern all over this roll. To give it a heavy base, I have used white cement paste, and now I kept this entire setup for drying overnight. And now it is completely dried. Using dark pink as the base color. Using dry sponge, I will dab this orange and pink shade such that the leaf details are visible in different shades. Using pink metallic shade for more highlights. Securing these shades with clear synthetic varnish. And once this is dried, now is the time I can decorate it further with the mirrors. My next flower vase is pretty simple, and for this I am using this empty shampoo bottle. I am dabbing the base coat to get a good texture. This is also to avoid the plastic look of the bottle. Choosing these two contrast shades. Applying the clear varnish here as well. After this is completely dried, I have used white glue to create a design. This is a very simple one. Now sprinkling the silver dust on this glue. Regaining the details with the same color now. And here's the final reveal. I've used all the bright shades here so that I can use them somewhere during the festival time. I hope you enjoyed this short and simple video, and if so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.